Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 8 divided by 2 times 4 in parentheses. Now 2 times 4 gives us 8, and 8 divided by 8 gives us 1, but this answer is not correct. Let's rewrite the expression 8 divided by 2, and we have one multiplication here, and 4 is equals to multiplication and division are equally important, and we have to solve this math expression from left to right. Now we have to solve this division first, not this multiplication. So 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. Now 4 times 4 gives us 16. The final answer is 16. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like if you like this video.